sa halagang 6,000 pesos. Kapalit ito ang maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging IMG member. Hindi lang ito simpleng membership, it's a complete package. Financial education, protection, healthcare and investment, access, savings, discounts, and rewards. Hi everyone, this is Coach Mal Bilianyo and more than 15 years ng member ng IMG or International Marketing Group kasama si Coach Martin. Kalimitang tanong, ano nga ba ang mga benefits sa IMG kapag nag-member ako dyan? Number 1, become a saver and investor instantly. Pag nag-member ka, may instant 1,000 premium deposit fund savings ka kaagad at pwede mo i-convert into Soldibo Mutual Funds through Ramber Financials. At tuturuan ka pa namin paano dumami ang ipon mo kahit 50 pesos, 100 pesos o 200 lang ang tinatabi mo. Imagine kung gagawin mo ito for 5, 10, 20 years or 30 years, may malaking ipon ka pagdating ng retirement years. Free personal accident insurance. May coverage ka ng 100,000 up to 300,000 because accidents can happen anytime, anywhere. Memorial assistance. Kapag IMG member ka, magkakaroon ka din ng 50,000 memorial services from Fidelity Life plus 24/7 memorial concierge service from Everest Memorial. Next is healthcare benefits. Meron din tayong free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Center branches plus discounted medical and laboratory services. Kasama na dyan ang ating mga immediate family members kapag tayo ay IMG member. Next benefits, vision care, legal assistance, and IMG financial book. May free vision care like 2 pairs of frames per year. Free legal consultation, 45 minutes, 2 sessions per year at bibigyan din kita nitong powerful IMG book na The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future book. Non-life insurance discount benefits. Isa pa sa mga benefits kapag IMG member, may discount ka rin sa mga non-life insurance. Mas affordable ang travel insurance, car insurance at property insurance dahil may discounts. Real estate savings. May member savings ka rin kapag bibili sa malalaking real estate properties. IMG Auto Program, another benefits. Kung bibili ka ng brand new car, cashman or installment, may exclusive discounts ka rin bilang IMG member. IMG Rewards, kung gusto mong gawin ang IMG business, pwede ka magka-earn ng incentives like Travel the World. Bakit kami nakapag-travel sa ibang bansa? Dahil 3 times sa isang taon, may IMG convention. 1 local convention dito po sa SMX Manila at 2 beses naman sa ibang bansa. Meron ding pins, promotion, free watches, and free HMO or healthcare para sa mga MDs and up level. Finally, worldwide protection benefits. Kung ikaw ay isang OFW na gusto mag-member sa IMG, may exclusive additional benefits para lamang sa iyo. 500,000 accidental death benefits, 100,000 burial benefits, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 600,000 acts of terrorism, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefit, and repatriation services. So imagine, 6,000 lang, pero ang kapalit ng maraming benefits and opportunity. Sulit ba? 2010 pa kami IMG member kasama si Coach Martin at masasabi ko talaga na sulit talaga dahil it's a complete package. May financial education, protection, healthcare, investment, savings, discounts, rewards, and community na kasama sa isang misyon na maabot ang 30 million financially educated families by the year 2030. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano maging IMG member, nasa Pilipinas ka man o nasa ibang bansa, mag-comment ka lang sa video na to o i-message mo ako sa aking Facebook account. Tutulungan kitang magsimula.